A very good morning to you children. How are you all? So once again, as it is Saturday, it's time for our GK class, and today in GK we are going to do chapter number 16, which is based on metro system. So children, you can also realize this fact that after the set of metro in Delhi, many things have changed, right? Earlier when Delhi did not have metro railway, but now when it is having, there are a lot of changes in the city itself, and metro has made commutation convenient. Means people can easily move from one place to another, avoiding the traffic jams and all. So today also we are going to learn about some of the important metros which are found in the other parts of our world, we can say. Now metros, they are also known as subway. The other name for metro is subway. They are easy and economical means of transport in cities. So they are easy means it's easy to travel through them, plus they are economical. Economical means they are less costly than the other means of transport. So people prefer to go by metro. The government closely monitors the metros to ensure their safety, security and cleanliness. Plus, another important thing about metro system is that the government also keeps a close monitor, means keeps a close check on metros, so that metros are safe, they are secure, they are clean also. Now today we are going to learn about some important metros which are found in different cities of the world. The first part, as you can see, it is about the first and the oldest metro system in the world, which started in the year 1863. So we are far behind. In India, metro came a long back, but this metro started in 1863, and this metro is the London Underground Metro. Coming on to the second one, now it is the longest driverless metro network in the world. So this metro network, which is longest driverless metro. So there is no driver that is running this metro, and this metro stretches up for a distance of 74.69 kilometers, and this metro is found in Dubai and known as Dubai Metro. The third important metro is the metro system with largest number of stations in the world. 468 stations in a metro, and this metro is the New York City subway with the largest number of stations. The next one is the metro system with the world's longest route. So this metro runs up to a distance of 975.4 kilometer, and this is the Seoul subway. Next one is the densest metro system. Densest metro system means on a very on a very small area, many lines of the metro are there, and there are so many stations over a small area. So this densest metro is the Paris metro, because Paris is supposed to be a very busy city. So the densest metro is found here. The last one is that it is the metro system with the fastest speed. So this is the fastest running metro, and it is the Guangzhou metro. Guangzhou metro in the world is the fastest metro with a speed of 135 km per hour. So now we move on to chapter 17, which is based on 5 tallest marvels in the world. 5 tallest buildings which are worldwide recognized and have something unique and different in them. So we all have heard about numerous significant buildings around the world. Some of them are highest, some of them are tallest. But today we are going to learn about some special 5 tallest buildings of the world. So let us begin. The first building is the Burj Khalifa, and I hope everybody has heard about the name of Burj Khalifa. Let us find out what is special about this. It is situated in Dubai. So I think most of us know that this Burj Khalifa building is situated in Dubai. It is 828 meter high, super tall skyscraper, is the tallest structure ever built by any human being. So this is the tallest building which has been built by humans ever. वर्ल्ड की सबसे बड़ी बिल्डिंग जो कभी भी ह्यूमन बीइंग्स ने इससे बड़ी बिल्डिंग नहीं बनाई है. This structure also sets a world record with the maximum number of floors. Obviously, when the building is so tall, it is going to have the highest number of floors also. So it has a record of maximum numbers of floors also. Then it has 163 habitable floors. So this building, Burj Khalifa, has 163 habitable floors. It has 46 maintenance levels and 2 parking levels in the basement. This triple lobed footprint of the building has been designed to look like a desert flower called Hymenocallis. As you can see in the picture, the building looks like a flower and it's a desert flower which is known as Hymenocallis, and it is a triple lobed footprint building. As you can see, the lobes are divided into 3 parts, so that is why it's a triple lobed building. Coming on to the next building, that is Taipei 101. So the name of the building is Taipei 101. It is located in Taiwan. So this building is located in Taiwan. It is one of the world's tallest completed structures. So one of the world's tallest completed structures with a height of 508 meters. Then it is named as one of the 7 wonders of engineering because this building is a marvelous architecture. So it is named under the 7 wonders of engineering. It is Taipei 101, located in Taiwan. The third one is the Willis Tower, which was earlier called the Sears Tower. Now this is at the height of 442 meter. So this building has a height of 442 meters and it is one of the tallest building in the USA. And this building, observation deck of this building is on the 103rd floor, and from this point Chicago looks really great. So this building is located in Chicago. It is the tallest building of USA, and the observation point of this building is at the 103rd floor, because if you look from this floor, the city of Chicago is visible and it looks really, really beautiful. Now the fourth one in the row is Shanghai World Financial Center, and Shanghai names already makes it clear that this is situated in China. Now it is the tallest building. The most interesting feature of this 492 meters tall building is the structure at its top. It is shaped almost like a giant bottle opener. So why this building is so famous? And the first thing is that it is high, that we all come to know from the height, and the second thing is that the top of this building is shaped like a giant bottle opener. So that is why this building is an excellent example of tallest architecture. The last one is the Petronas Twin Towers, situated in Kuala Lumpur. Now this building, Petronas Twin Towers, is located in Kuala Lumpur, and these world famous twin towers are the tallest twin buildings in the world. Twin means 2. So as you can see in the picture, there are 2 identical same structured building side by side. So these 2 same buildings stand near each other and they have a height of 451.9 meters. they have the deepest foundation. So children, we all know that if we want to make a building very strong, we have to get a deep foundation, and this building has the deepest foundation, so it is very strong building. And another important feature of this building is that between them they have the world's highest two-storied sky bridge that connects the two towers. As you can see in the picture, there is a tower bridge which is connecting these two buildings with each other. So this is an important feature because this bridge is at a great height. It is very high, and it is connecting the two towers. From one tower you can go on to the other tower using this bridge, and this bridge is built on 2 floors, and the floors are 41st and 42nd. So these are some great buildings. Today we learned about important metros also in the world. I hope all these are clear to you and you have learned many new things. So you will be completing this work in the books, and side by side you will be learning it also. Till then, have a nice day.